everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we're going to make a JavaScript project on text to speech conversion. Let's see the requirements. We require an IDE for running and compiling the source code. Second, we require a text editor. We may use any text editor, but the recommended ones are code blocks or VS Code. Thirdly, we require an operating system. Again, we can have any operating system, but I have used a Windows 10. This project is completely based on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The requirement analysis of this project include you need a HTML file named index, a JavaScript file named script, a CSS file named style, and a PNG file for the photos. Now we'll move to the code, the VS Code. Here we have it. Let's have a look. This is the index.html file where we have the doc type HTML. Then the language is selected as English. Then we have the head. Under the meta characteristics, we have the character set, the HTTP equivalent, the name as viewport, content will be the width, device width, and initial scale is 1.0. Then we have the title text to speech, and we have the subtitle as the COSAS learning. You can use any learning, like this is a name, just a name. Then here we are importing the CSS file. The link relative is given as style sheet and the href, the reference is given to style.css. Then we have the body. Under the body, we have the div class container. Then under the header, we have a class named logo, image source logo.png. And if the logo doesn't load, then the alternative of that is logo. Then we have a class named heading. Then the text to speech converter. Then we have the class called hero section. Here we are going to convert the text to speech. The class named is text to speech. Again, under that, the another class is there that is called row box, and there we have to enter our text under the text area. Then again, we have this same class called as row box, and we are going to select the voice. That means which voice we want, like whose voice. It may be a guy's voice. We'll see. I have created a drop down. We'll see there. Then we have a class named again select box, and there will be a button which ID will be convert speech and which will be used to convert the speech, to convert to speech. Then we have this clear button which will clear the text. Then we will be importing the JavaScript file. Now let's go to style.css. Here we will be importing the Google font from the Google APIs, the fonts, font family, etc. Then we have done the base styling, the margin, padding, box sizing will be border box, and the font family will be Poppins. Then we have the variable definitions, the root, the colors will be white color, orange dark color, background color, and box shadow has been defined. Then we have the container styling where we have the width, mean height, minimum height, background image, and padding. Then we have the header styling where we have the padding, margin, display as flex, align items centered. Then justify content with the space between. Then we have the logo styling where we have the width and height, again logo image, width and height. Then we have the heading styling where we have the color, text alignment to be center, padding is 1 rem, border bottom will be 0.2 rem. Variable selected will be orange color, which is solid, and the text transformation will be uppercase. Then in the hero section, we have display as flex, justify content is center, align items will be center, and flex direction will be column. Then the text to speech styling. Here we are going to start the text to speech as width will be 23.125 rem. Again, you can select anything. This is a relative enlargement actually. Then margin top is selected. Then under row box again display, that is flex display is there. Then the margin bottom. So going to have a bottom margin of 1.2 rem. Then flex direction. Then we have a row box label for the font size, font weight, color is white color, and margin bottom. Then text to speech where text area select and bottom is defined. Then the row box text area where resize, height, font size, padding, border, and box shadow is defined. Then the row box text area where the width is defined. Then row box and select box where the height, padding, display, align items, border radius, justify content, border, and box shadow is defined. Then the row box select where font size, background, and cursor are defined. Then the WebKit scroll bar track, WebKit scroll bar thumb. These are basically the functionalities where all the particular items have been defined. For the button, we have height, color, font size, font weight, cursor, margin top, background, transition, padding. These are basically all the elements that we are going to put in the button. When you hover the shadow changes, the color changes, the transition changes, the transition time is there. Then here when we hover, we get the orange dark color, and when the hide will be, there will be no display, and show, there will be a block display. When you click on show, this is the script.j, this is JavaScript file. Here we have the text area defined by document by getting the ID by text area, voice list, then we have the speech button, then we have the clear button. Here we have the voices functions called. In the text area, we have to add the event listener, where the text area, if the text area has the content, add the show class to display the button. If the text area is empty, add the hide class to hide the button. This is the functionality that we are going to do. Then this is the clear button function, where we have the add event listener, where when we click on, when we have a click, then we are going to add hide, and we are going to remove show. Then this is a voice function. In the voice function, we are going to select the voice name, and the particular voice name which you are going to select and the language you are going to select, that will become the final voice selection. Then text to speech selection. Here we are going to convert the text into speech. Like we are going to add a text, and that is going to convert it into speech. Then speech between function means, here basically what we have the drop down list, where we have certain speeches, like certain people talking about the same thing, like certain what you can call, like some are speaking Indian, this is like certain versions, certain accent. So that is what we are going to do here. So I guess enough of explanation. Now we'll go to the actual code and we'll see what happens here actually. Then you'll get to know better. So let's go to the code. This is, I guess, text to, yeah. Let's click on index. See, this is what you get. Let me just cross out everything. Yeah. So enter text. I am a girl. Got it? I have selected this bus. Convert to speech.
I am a girl.
Cool. Now let me have this United States.
I am a girl.
See, the accent changes, right? Now I need a girl to speak.
I am a girl.
Cool. See,
I am a girl.
I'm a girl. My name is Simran. Let's see.
I am a girl. My name is Simran.
Okay. Let's have this.
I am a girl. My name is Simran.
And now clear the text. So I hope you understood the working of this code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you.